Welcome to City Foodie Farm. It's meatball time. Today we are cooking up some meatballs. If you've ever wanted to make your own meatballs at home, stay with us. This recipe is kind of a family recipe that I've kind of tweaked over the years, but I think it's a good one. Okay, your first ingredient for the meatballs. You want to add half a pound of mild Italian pork sausage, half a pound of hot Italian pork sausage, 1 pound of ground beef, 80% lean. The next ingredient is half a yellow onion, diced. Next, you'll want to add 3 cloves of garlic, minced. Next, add 12 saltine crackers, crushed. And you want to start chopping up your parsley. You'll need 2 tablespoons of parsley. One little tip here is to have a bowl handy to put all your scraps in as you're cutting, dicing. It's just a lot easier to do it that way. Okay, it's time to add our 2 tablespoons of parsley. There's 1. Okay, we're adding our Parmesan cheese, freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons. Okay, now we're adding 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Our next ingredient is 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground pepper. The last ingredient I added is 2 eggs. Now you'll need to mix everything together and form it into little balls. And make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees. Okay, we've added all of our ingredients. Now mix it all together and we can start to form it into balls, form our meatballs. So grab your baking dish. Okay, I am using a glass baking dish that is 11 by 15. I did add a little bit of water to the bottom of the pan. You can see. Your oven should be at 400 degrees. And you'll want to cover these with tin foil and cook them for about 25 minutes. Okay, we just took them out of the oven. They are ready for our spaghetti sauce. Okay, I just took the meatballs out of the oven. I have a little tiny bit here I'm gonna try. Yum. I hope you enjoy them as well. I wanted to share what your meatballs will look like before you add them to your sauce. Okay guys, I added these to my spaghetti sauce. You can find that recipe on cityfoodiefarm.com with the same meatball recipe. Delicious. And there you have it, spaghetti and meatballs. Well, I hope you enjoyed making meatballs today. I hope this recipe is a favorite in your family. And if you would like to see more videos, subscribe. And follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. We'll be creating more recipes for you. Thank you.